I am doing the most adult thing ever, y'all. Funneling seasonings. That's how grown I am. This is grown activity, okay? We got labels, y'all. Mad cute. They got stevia, whatever bum ass sugar that shit is. They have Lowry salt, but y'all don't got sazon. Boo. I ain't put no seasoned salt as sazon. That's gentrifying sazon. I ain't with that. Look at me. Funneling. Like, is you dumb? Oh my God. I'm getting mad anxiety. It's crooked. Ooh, now my ring light dying on me. That was crazy. That scared me. Because, you know, there is no secret that, what the hell? Lead us. Hold up. It's getting smoky. He understood me from the jump. If you can't read this fast, I don't want you. Damn, they cheap with the pepper. How you cheap with the pepper? Or is it the same? Nah, I got more salt than I have pepper. That's crazy. I finished. What a time to be alive. Bless up.